Would you like to know how to make your skin looking youthful and healthy? Do you want to turn back the clock to look 5 and 10 years younger? Are you tired of wearing a lot of makeup every morning to cover your redness, wrinkle, fine lines, sun damage? Are you feeling sad, miserable, depressed, and hopeless with everything you have done and tried and no hope? If so, you are in the right place. I'm Christina Trin, your host. I am a licensed esthetician. I have a skincare studio located in Southern California. I have been helping women, men, teenagers with the skin issue to revive their skin so that they can show up their best self and create a impact to their life. Little bit story about myself. As a woman, when I was dating with my husband, I want to have more youthful skin, so I went to see the skincare expert. Guess what? I ended up with severe skin damage. I was struggle and have tried and done so many things, just like some of you. Finally, I learned all the skincare that they give me, not good for my skin condition, and easy to get sun damage when I expose to the sun. Now I dedicate myself to help other women, men, teenagers take care of their skin successfully with the proper treatment, plan, and skincare regimen to create youthful skin in a healthy way. So this is what I decided to do. I decided to bring all together all these experts and share their secret so that you could have a youthful, healthy skin just like me. Here's what I put all together. All the experts that are going to show you how. Expert skincare, acupuncture, holistic nutritionist, yoga instructor, supplement. So if you are the one just like me before, leave me your name, phone number, and email address, and then I will see you on the other side. Bye.